So this is take 3 of my home geology set. I've got a bunch of different puddings. I've got yogurt. And I've got honey, which I'm not using yet, and a muffin. For our oil, well, we have a reusable straw. We've just been scooping in the yogurt and the pudding. The yogurt, my intention was to be kind of a salt dome, since the yogurt is not as dense as the pudding. And I've been layering things over the straw. The straw was there first. And already we see, you have differential pressures. They're pushing the yogurt up, right? So that's interesting. So maybe the yogurt could be the salt layers, but in that case I would need to have a lot more pudding. So I might do this again with a lot more chocolate and just a little bit of yogurt. But that's complicated. I think we just want to put the organic layer, which is our tasty muffin. It's fluffy, it's spongy, it's at the surface, it has plants, right? And that's what's going to be at the surface. We're going to try to induce some subsidence by causing a fluid pressure differential. And we don't have any faults, we just have tried to make it as even as possible, layers of stuff, pudding and yogurt. So, if we want to follow the Morton papers, we should put some, like a graham cracker in there or something to create a fault zone, something that has differential slippage. So here we go. That's the setup for this third take of the home geology kit.